Hey everyone! In this video, I will be showing you how to set up Vue.js in Visual Studio Code and also run your first project. So for this, we'll be requiring NodeJS as well as VS Code. So first, let's begin with installing NodeJS. So just Google NodeJS, and here we will be having the download link. Click it, and in this downloads page, here we can change the Node.js version of our choice, and here we are having for other operating system also. If you just scroll down, here we are having two options. One is Windows installer and another one is standalone binary. I will just go with the Windows installer one. So this will download the setup file. It is about 31 MB in size. Just be patient till then. Once it is complete, just open it and we'll be getting this Node.js setup. Click on next. I accept, select next, and this is going to be the default location where Node.js is getting installed. If you want to change it, you can click on change to change it. Once you have done that, click on next, and these are fine. Just leave it to default. Select next, next, and click on install. That's it. Within few seconds we will be getting Node.js has been successfully installed. Just click on finish and now open command prompt. So just go to search and open it. Here just run the command node space hyphen hyphen version and hit enter. So as you can see, I have got the exact same version that I have installed. So if I run the command node, we'll be getting the node shell over here. Here we can run any JavaScript code. Okay, so I'm doing this simple math here. First thing, just Google VS Code. We'll be having the official link from code.visualstudio.com. Just click it, and here we are having the download for Windows option. Select this and the download will be getting started. It is around 119 MB in size, so just be patient till then. Once the download is complete, just open it and we'll be getting the setup. Just click on I accept the agreement and click on next, and this is going to be the default location where Visual Studio Code is going to get installed. If you don't have space in your local disk C, just change this to local disk D or E. So once you're done fixing the location, just click on next, and this is fine. Next, and here is an important thing. Make sure that you are checking all these checkboxes. Okay, this will be super useful in case if you are directly going to open a file or folder by right clicking on it. Okay, so just click on next, and these are the stuff that's going to happen now. Click on install. So once everything is done, just check launch VS Code and click on finish. Now in Visual Studio Code, here we will be having extensions. Select this and just search for Vue. We'll be having this Vue official which says language support for Vue. This is the official one. It has so many downloads. Just make sure that you are clicking on install and trust publisher and install. And these are the features that it offers: syntax highlighting, intelligent completion, type checking, error diagnostics, refactoring, formatting. So many stuff. You can just go through it, how it works. Once we are done with this, let's open a new folder. For that, go to file, open folder, go to the directory where you want to create a new folder. I will just go here, new folder. Let me name it as Vue demo. That's good. Select it and select folder. That's it. This will create as an empty folder. Now we need to create a terminal over here. Click on terminal, new terminal. That's it. Here we need to run a few commands to create our Vue project. For that, just Google Vue.js. We'll be having the official link. Open it, and this will take us to the Vue.js official page. Here, just click on install, and this will give us all the necessary commands to install Vue.js. So as you can see here, we need to have Node.js. We are already done with that, and this is going to be the command that we need to run: npm create vue at latest. So simply copy it. After we run this, we need to configure all these. Okay, we need to answer all these questions, and after that we can simply run our application. So let's begin now. So I'll just go here and paste it and hit enter. So we'll be getting OK to proceed. Just press the Y key and hit enter. So first we need to give the project name. Let me go with Vue-demo. Hit enter. And first thing is, it's asking the TypeScript support. So select the features which we want to include. So up arrow and down arrow to navigate, space to select, A to toggle all, enter to confirm. So these are stuff we can select. So space is to select. Okay, so if I click this space, TypeScript will be getting selected. If I click again space key, it will be unselected. So if you want to go with TypeScript, you can go, or else it will be in JavaScript. So I'll just select this. I need this. I need router and winters. Let it be, and linter should be there. Prettier should be there. Okay, these are my configurations. You can play around with it. Once you're done, just press the enter key and select the experimental features. So I'll just go here with Vue 3.6 and enter. Which of the package will be using? I'll be using npm, so I'll just click on enter and skip all the sample code and start a blank Vue project. I will just give it the default no and hit enter. So now we just created some files over here. As you can see, we are having Vue demo, and the node modules folder is not there, but we are having package.json files, and as it clearly says here, right, these are the instructions. Now scaffolding project, this is done. We need to run these commands. So first we need to check out inside this folder. Okay, so this is our main project folder. After that, just run npm install. This will install all the necessary dependencies. So the packages have been installed now, and as you can see here, we are having the node modules folder. After this, it says to run npm run format, so we can run that also. It's done, and next is npm run dev to start our Vue.js application. So this is the local host that it has started. Just press the control key and click it, and that's it. As you can see, we are having the Vue project that has been created. If you want any documentation, you can just check it out. Okay, you can go here and read it through. Here inside source, we'll be having the .app view. So all these stuff here you can see, right, the home, about. Let's say I'm changing something over here. This directly corresponds to this buttons. So if I just now change it, it's having the router link. So if I go here, as you can see, it has been added. So you can just make the changes in app.view here. Okay, and also check out this about view and home view. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.